Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we will discuss about how to create a customer-friendly website in Odoo 18. So Odoo provides a seamless way to capture customer information directly from your website and automatically create a new customer records in your database. And this is particularly useful for the e-commerce websites or lead generations forms and all. So we just need to ensure that we have installed the e-commerce module, which is essential for running an online store and capturing the customer details during the checkout process. And we also just need to ensure that this module allows you to create and customize your website, including the forms. Now let's move on to the website module. From the website module, we can just move on to the website builder. So here you can find the edit page, and here you would be able to see there are different snippets where you can just search for form. So as you just search for form, here you can simply search the item and you can just drag and drop the content as it's a dynamic content. Now, if you want to customize the contents, you can also customize that. So let's search for the content over here, which is form. So as you just drag down here, you can find the form. So I'm going to drag it and place it over here. And afterwards, we just need to save the changes that we are making. Okay. So afterwards, upon the submission of this form, we just need to create a new customer in the um, our database. So here again, you can just click on edit button, and in the edit button, as you just move on to the customize and choose submit button, here can find the option that is the action that to be performed. Like there are different ways in which we can just perform the actions, like we can apply for a job, we can create a customer or create a task or send an email. I would like to create a customer from here upon the submission button. So here I'm going to set the action likewise. Now later on you can again save the changes that you have made, and here we have to fill out the details of the customer. So I'm going to give the detail of the customer over here, uh, and here by filling out the name, and afterwards we can provide the email. So let's say the email over here, and let's provide the phone number, and afterwards you can provide the name of the company. So I would like to name the company as Cybrosys over here. So once everything is set, you can just submit this. So as you just submit this here, you will be getting a message that your message has been sent and we will get you back shortly. And once everything is done, the next step is that here we are just going to create a customer, right, from the website. So you can just move on to the customer module. So that is the contact module. Now we can search for the customer. So as you just move on to the contact module, and when you search for the name over here, you will be getting the customer that is created from the website. So that's how we just deal with the creation of the customer from the website. And I hope this video clarifies how to create a customer from the website in Odoo 18. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.